Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious Mexican macaroni. This is one of my favorite childhood recipes that I am sure you're all going to love and enjoy. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 4 Roma tomatoes, 1/4 of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of tomato bouillon, a half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and salt. We're also going to need 1/4 of a cup of tomato sauce, 1 chile chipotle, 3 tablespoons of oil, 7 ounces of elbow pasta, and queso Oaxaca. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alrighty guys, so we're going to begin by making our tomato sauce. To a blender cup, we're going to add our 4 Roma tomatoes. I just cut them in half. A piece of onion, 2 garlic cloves, chile chipotle, that's optional, our tomato sauce, half a cup of queso, and all of our spices. And we're going to be blending with 2 cups and a half of water. Okay, not just blending too smooth. Alrighty, and once we have that, now we are ready to make our macaroni. On our pan over medium-high heat, we're going to be adding our 3 tablespoons of oil. Once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our elbow pasta. We're going to be frying for about 3 minutes or until all of our macaroni is nice and golden. Make sure to move it constantly. Once our elbows are nice and toasted, we're going to add our sauce. I'm going to be adding a little bit more water to my blender cup so I can get everything out of it. Okay, so just mix it and allow it to come to a simmer. Okay, and once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you want to adjust it. For me, this is perfect, so now we're just going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting. Cover it and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, this is the perfect time to make those tacos. Okay, and after 15 minutes, we can get ready to add our cheese. So just carefully add your little blocks of cheese. And you can use queso Oaxaca like I mentioned, or you can use Monterey Jack. Just add your favorite melting cheese, and you already know, Oaxaca is mine. Just give it a little mix. We're going to cover it and allow that to cook for another 5 minutes. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, our macaroni is done. And this is what it should look like. All the cheese should have melted already. And I just like to allow it to thicken up for a little bit. But of course, if you want to serve it now, this is the time. Okay, and after allowing it to sit for 5 minutes, now we can get ready to serve. And of course you can serve it with your chile verde or just as a main dish. Just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, so now for the best part, the taste test. And of course, you know, like I said, you can serve it as your side dish or as your main dish. I like to eat it with some taquitos de queso con jalapeño. So that's how we're having it today. But now I am ready, and I just forgot the spoon. Okay, so I am ready to take a bite. And this is honestly my favorite and my family's favorite. So I hope you love it just as much. Cheers. So cheesy. It's so perfect. And don't worry, if you don't want it to be spicy, it's not spicy. The chipotle just add a little bit of smokiness, but you can always, of course, not add it. But it is so good. And if you want to make it more into a sopita, you can just go ahead and add more water to your broth. But it's so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a delicious Mexican macaroni. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.